Alright guys, we're here with the new, to me, Ford F150. It's a 2002 FX4 Lariat, 4-wheel drive, automatic, 5.4 liter V8. We'll do a quick walk around of this thing, kind of show you around it. Got a lot of stuff to do to it. It's a good truck overall, but it's going to need some cosmetic stuff and some stuff here and there. I've already done some work on this car, or this truck I should say. Gonna need some, the little window switch bezel there. The seats need recovered, they're gone. Can't repair them. The armrest, or center console, the leather's loose, we'll have to tighten that up. It's just the seat bottoms that need to be replaced really. Well, we find the ignition here. There it is. Go ahead and start this thing up. As you can hear it, it sounds pretty good overall. There is a check engine light. It's for an oxygen sensor. That's another thing we'll do. All the gauges work. The miles, it has 200. Well, hold on now. That's not reading. There it goes. 239,000. All the gauges work like I said. See, the radio works. We will be replacing this with a touchscreen Bluetooth radio. I don't know what this cord goes to. I try to plug my phone into it thinking maybe it went in the back of the radio, but it doesn't. Cup holder does now come out. It's the AC heater control unit. I'll turn it on. That's not coming on. Hold on now. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah, blow all the dust in my face. Got our 3 selective switch 4-wheel drive. That's gonna have to be replaced. Obviously, it has like five clicks there. Already replaced the light there in the center. That's why it's white, and the rest of them are yellow. It was missing, so. Got our rear window switch bezel is missing, and the rear window does not work, so it's going to need the motor. The rear seats are in good shape. The leather's good. It's soft. Let's fold it back here. Look at the little toolbox back here. Nothing in there. Well, they got this little piece of plastic. We'll have to figure out what that is. Let's dive in here and see if we can't see what is inside. Can't really see anything. It does open on the other side as well, but we're not gonna mess with that right this second. Looks pretty good underneath there. Not really a lot of room to put any subwoofers or anything. We were gonna do that. No big rust on this vehicle. Everything's pretty good. No rust holes in the frame. No real rust over anywhere. Wheel wells behind it here, solid. There's some pretty good dents in the tailgate, but we'll get it opened up here. Oh, we need some grease on this. Alright, it has a Ford factory bed liner. Does have the tow package. Like I said, it's the FX4 off-road package. This truck did not come with these 20s on it. Actually, it came with 4 mismatched 17s, 4 mismatched tires. So we went ahead and picked these off of Facebook Marketplace, and I took the tires off my '84 GMC Jimmy because it just sits there most of the time, and I paid a lot of money for them. I took the tires off that and swapped them onto this cup holder in the back there. And this door trim here, all of it's coming loose right here. It rubs. I think we're just going to take it all the way off and see what's behind it. This bezel's a little loose too. Probably replace it when I'm replacing the others just to get it all tightened up. Window works fine. The carpets are in pretty bad shape. This seat over here has to be done too. It's a split bench, so it's the bottom. As you can see, the carpet here is gone. I don't know what they did, but probably had to put some new carpet in. The antenna's gone, broke off. That's the factory mirror there. Pretty big dent on the hood there. We're going to try to repair it best we can. And over here, this is not the factory mirror. They took a mirror off like a base model or something. Pop this hood and check out under it. It does have the automatic driver window and the power seats. I did have to adjust and lubricate this hood latch because I couldn't open it myself. I had to have somebody help. So now I can. Got a cheapo Walmart battery. Here's a good old pine cone. Yep, we don't need that. You can hear the bell squeaking a little bit. You see the newer coil packs on there. Looks like they did all of them. Let's check out this throttle body. That's a nice looking zip tie there. Yeah, that little plastic piece broke off, I guess. Yeah, probably gonna need a new throttle body. Still works fine. Let's see. Listen to that V8 roar. Has a K&N filter. I think it's K&N. Yep, K&N. They did a pretty good job on this pipe. They got this hooked up and everything. Let's see what something plugged here. Let's see what that is. Yeah, we don't need that, do we? So we'll have to figure out what we're going to do there. All the hoses look pretty good. Well, maybe what? That's a garden hose. Oh boy. Looks like it's a breather too. So we'll have to replace that. Don't want a garden hose down here. And I got new belts and pulleys we're going to do. Pretty quiet engine overall though. It does have pretty clear headlights on it, fog lights, they do work. And there's obviously an issue there. Look how much slop is in it. Yes, reverse, neutral, drive, second, first. All the way back to park. And let's put it in reverse, neutral. See these, we can hear it lock in. Got to find the right position in this multi-switch. We're going to change it out, make sure it's just 3 there. But there's 4 low, 4 high. So we can't turn it back off here. You always want to select the gears while you're in neutral, of course. Alright, they're 4 high and off. So the switch does work. Let's get to rolling here. Oh. Yeah, just wiping more of a mess here. Oh. Oh, well. Always check behind you before you pull out. We will be installing a backup camera in this truck too. Now the trash can's out of the way. This windshield's a little dirty, all this pollen here in Arkansas. I tell you, it's got my sinuses going crazy. Oh, and the windshield washer fluid, I can hear it, but it doesn't work. So probably a line disconnected somewhere. We'll find out. Dash lights don't work. I'll have to figure out what's going on with the dash lights themselves. Like I said, all the gauges do work though. There's some allergies again. Don't worry guys, it's not the Rona. They're difficult to see. Alright, let me show you what it does when it turns here. You hear the rubbing. I did switch over these tires. These are 33s. They're a little bit bigger than what was on here. Well, they're bigger than the 17s, sure, but the 20s with these tires, they do rub. Let's see if we can't see where they're rubbing at. Yeah, there's a little bit of rub when you turn about that sharp. Let's turn a little sharper. Oh, yeah. That's not cool. Yeah. Alright, well, what we plan to do there is I've got a 2-inch shock lift, where it's just pretty much a spacer for the shocks in the front. It's got to level the truck out, get rid of that rake, and then hopefully take care of that rubbing issue. Pretty smooth riding truck. The steering wheel needs to be adjusted. Oh, look at this person all in my lane here. Oh, wow. Anyway, the steering wheel does need to be taken off and readjusted, because when you're going straight, it looks like you're turning right. I'm going to assume they had that alignment done. It didn't align the steering wheel afterward. Oh yeah, it's rubbing some more. Do have brakes for front and back. Steering wheel has a little wear there. Probably just put steering wheel cover. See, it was rubbing up here. Not too bad. These are pretty new tires. They've been sitting, and they're going to continue to sit. So we're going to get some use out of them, because they weren't cheap. Interco brand tires. Run back there too. There's some dents in the tailgate there. I'll mess with them a little bit. I don't know if we'll make them perfect, but this is a work truck still. You see down here, this bezel goes around the grill and headlights. It's got a crack in it. Does have the remote. Here's the old tires that were on there. These are 20s as well, so I just swapped them over. They're pretty junk. Thanks, guys.